dingy looking jeans. I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna wear these dingy, the hose, the ruffles with this. Anybody know how to edit videos? I might pay you. That's lazy. Lazy. Woo. Mom, when you gonna wanna leave? Huh? When you gonna wanna leave? Whenever you get ready. Okay. Whew, I just put lotion on, but I feel dry again. This weather got me beat. I just feel extra dry. I'll be back, y'all.
And what I'm basically going to do is give you a brief presentation of how they built Hoover Dam to kind of complement the movie you saw there. But first things first, where are we on this very big diagram? Well, you know we're inside the diversion tunnel right now. They built 4 of these big diversion tunnels back in the 1930s. The first 2 were built directly into the Arizona Canyon wall side of the river. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, right into the rocks, right past the area where they built the dam and then out down the river. And the other 2 into the Nevada Canyon wall side of the river. Now, if you take a look at this one in particular, though, and probably just about parallel with the dam, ladies and gentlemen, that's where you are. You're standing inside a room, inside this big diversion tunnel, 537 feet below the surface. So you're basically 54-foot L4s straight down to the Black Canyon rocks right now. So great.
Is this where the water is going in? Ooh, I wish I could see that. Oh my gosh. Wait, so where are we?
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we're going to leave this room about 5 minutes, so please make yourselves comfortable, take some pictures, relax. I'm going to come up to the front, give you a quick story on where we are, and we'll be heading up to the power plant. Please try not to leave this room. We're going to leave this room together as a group, but it's time to do so. And Mary, everybody over there, just kind of position yourself and kind of look at you.
I probably have one of them looks on my face, like,
Yes.
Because of stability of the rock. But the rock is still porous, and that's why you see evidence of the natural spring seepage all around you. And you'll see some more upstairs. Now, all this white stuff that you see all around you, this white stuff is just calcium carbonate, and all that is hard water residue. So for one time, the natural spring water saturated the walls, as it evaporates over time, it leaves a hard water residue that you see remaining. It's basically the same kind of white calcium carbonate that you see around. You can go anywhere you want along the rails. Big commercial generators. We have 17 of these commercial generators. We have these 8 here in Nevada, and then we have 9 more on the Arizona power plant, which is behind me and across the river. But each one of these generators you're looking at here, they weigh 4 million pounds each. They're 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. The rest of the generators are below the floor. If there is a light on top of a generator, that indicates that generators are turning on and it is producing power.
The operation and maintenance of this facility.
Hi, it is hot.
This allows Hoover Dam to operate.
Look at that view.
From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon poles at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now look downriver, midway on the canyon, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6
It's hot.
This is the valve
I forgot my
house.
phone in the car.
There are 2, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
Ooh, look at this.
Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you follow the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam.
This looks so good. I don't know how they put carrots on there, but this look good, don't it? I don't know, where are you here from?
Hi. You want something to go? Yeah, just choices. I had a chicken pizza salad, steak and pizza salad, chicken pizza salad, beef, and olives and sour cream. Chef salad.
It's probably authentic. Look at this one too.
Olives, broccoli, and
You know what I mean? Like, it's got that real, you know, taste.
and then
Flowery thing.
Yeah.
and
I'm scared. Good.
Hi.
Ooh, that's hot. I like it though. You don't need a lot.
good. You okay? Good.
This is hot.
Oh yeah, that's good, huh? Good flavor. See? You asked for hot sauce, so this is your hot sauce.
Man, set my mouth on. Oh. Ooh, you gnawing on them things. Stop videoing me. I'm zoomed all the way in too. I can see your future.
Mas I said, no. I got long hair, but it's so curly. You want to do braids? I'm like,
Aww.
so So you want Thai or no?
Yeah.
I like a little carry out. Can I have some ranch too?
I'll get apple.
You like watermelon with ice cream?
Who? Watermelon?
Warm it up,
Warm
with,
it up with ice cream?
Oh, yes.
You're tired today, huh? She working too much in the Hoover done, right?
Yeah. The heat has her.
Yeah, see? Put the spray right here.
Yes.
Brain is
Can't wake
fried.
up.
Okay, I'll do it later.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, you have a hard time understanding.
Woo. Oh, you gonna take them fries home?
Okay. Maybe I won't take the fries.
Let's see how this pie tastes. Man, you don't like pie, do you? Especially apple.
Yeah, I just like the bread.
That's all right. Kind of like it.
You like it?
Oh my God. Excuse my appearance, but y'all, that food, I think it's just my body, but like every time I eat, my stomach hurts. Out order. Like unbelievably pain in my stomach. Like gas pain. The whole ride from the Hoover down to here, I was like passing gas. That mess was atrocious. But like, this might be TMI, but I ain't been able to use it. I've been using the bathroom, but I think it's because I haven't been drinking enough water. And when I do use the bathroom, y'all want to talk about pain, honey, we ain't gonna talk about that pain. But I need to drink some more water because I'm scared to use the bathroom.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.